Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So again, we would continue with the lesson 10, and this is the new exercise that we are going to do in this session. This exercise number 8. Up till here, we already did in previous session, and this is the next exercise. Before we start this exercise, let's see the concept. The concept is over here in this points to remember. Look, the possessive now pronouns or the attached pronouns. Can you see these nouns, Athar?
Yes.
Okay. So this is ya, this is ha, this is hu, and this is ka. Okay. These are all attached form. Attached form. Okay. Attached pronouns. Pronouns. And attached pronouns are always either nasb or jar. They are not rafa. Okay. So attached pronouns, we already went through this topic, the topic of pronouns. So these are attached pronouns, and either they are nasb or jar. Okay. And do you know the detached form of these pronouns? The first detached form is hua, huma, hum. Okay. Hua, huma, hum. Can you repeat after me? Hua, huma, hum.
Huwa,
Hiya,
huma,
huma, hunna.
hiya, huna.
Anta, antuma, antum.
Anna, antuma,
No,
antum.
no. Anta,
Anta,
antuma. Okay,
antuma.
let me write it here. Hua, huma, hum. And we are doing the independent pronoun. And these are always rafa. Okay. Independent pronoun. So these are hua, huma, hum. Here. Say it with me. Hua, huma, hum. Here. Huma, hunna.
Huwa, huma, hun. Hiya, huma, huna.
Anta.
Anta,
Anta. Antuma.
antuma,
Antum.
antum,
Anti. Antum.
anti,
Antuma.
antuma,
Antunna.
antuna.
Ana.
Ana,
Nahnu. So hua
nah.
is he. Hua is he. Huma, again, huma means they, but when you are talking about two males, okay? So they, two males. Hum is three or three plus males. When you are talking about, you are saying they, you are talking about whom, and you are talking about plural people, people who are three or more. Here is she. Okay. Here is, you already know it. Hua is he, here is she. Huma, when you talk about two females. Hunna, when you talk about three females, three or more than three females who are not there. Hunna, they came, and they came and ate my lunch. So you are talking about some person. Hunna, when three or more girls were there, or women were there. Hum is when 3 or more males. Anta is you. Anta is the person who is in front of you, and you are talking to him with the pronoun you. Okay, like you are in my class
Mm-hmm.
and you are in front of me, so what pronoun I'm going to use for you?
You.
You. So anta is the person who is there in front of the someone who is talking. Okay, so anta, antuma, antum, singular, dual, and plural. You and you. In English, singular and plural are the same. Whether you are talking to one person, you are going to use you. You are talking to multiple person, again you. So and anta is when you are talking to a male, a boy, or a adult male. Anti is you when you are talking to a female, girl, or a lady. Ana means ana means Athar, ana means
Anna.
I.
Yeah. I.
Ana means I. Ana means I. And nahnu means we. Nahnu means we. Okay. Now we what we are going to do, look. It changed the okay. Hua, these hua, huma, hum are were independent pronoun. What is the attached form of hua?
Um. Who?
Who. Just
Who?
who. Yeah. Kitabuhu, his book. Hua is he. So attached form of he is his, right? So kitabuhu means his book. Okay. Hua attached form is who. And
Huh?
hua is he, right?
Yes. Yes.
Hua is he. And who, which is attached form, is who means his. Who means his. And here is
He.
here means
Here means
she. Here means
she.
she. Okay. And what is the attached form of here? We just did in one sentence.
He.
Here, attached form of here is
He.
ha. Ha.
Ah.
Ha is attached form of here, and ha means her.
Mm.
Okay. And for ana means I. Ana means I. Okay. Ana means I. And the attached form of ana is ya. Ya mutakallim. This ya. Can you see? Kitabi. Kitabi means book, which is mine. My book. So kitabi, my book. So this ya is the attached form of ana, I. So this ya means either me or my. Okay, me or my. And nahnu also has attached form, and that is na. Okay, nanu has attached form, which is na. So over here, kitabuka, anta has attached form. Let me show you. Anta has attached form. which is kita kitabuka, your book. So kitabuka, this ka is attached form of what?
Mm,
Kitabuka is attached form of what? Kitabuka means your book, and this is singular masculine, one person. So kitabuka is attached form of what?
you.
You. So which line is for you and masculine? Anta, antuma, antum, or anti, antuma, antunna? Which line?
Anta, antuma.
Antum. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Anta, antuma, antum. But anta is singular, one person. Antuma is two-person, and antum is three or plus. So kitabuka, your book, which is singular and masculine, is the attached form of what?
Anta.
Anta. Very good. So this is the attached form of anta. Now the second combination is kitabuhu. Kitabuhu, his book. Okay, his book. So who is the attached form of?
Huwa.
Huwa. Who is the attached form of huwa? Okay. The next word, kitabuha. Kitabuha means her book. Kitabuha means her book. Now the attached pronoun over here, kitabu, and then attached pronoun. Attached pronoun over here is ha. Okay, attached pronoun over here is who. This attached pronoun is the attached form of which separate pronoun, detached pronoun. Kitabuha, her book.
Here.
Hiya, very good. So this is the attached form of hiya. Now this is kitabi. It means kitabu plus ya. But when ya comes, ya says that there should be a kasra before me. So that's why it is kasra over here on ba. Kitabi. So kitabu plus ya. Ya is the attached pronoun over here. So ya means kitabi means my book. So this ya is the attached form of which independent pronoun?
Which one?
This ya is the attached form of which independent pronoun?
E.
This ya is attached form of?
Kitab.
It means my book.
Yeah. So it's yeah.
Yeah.
Like.
But it is attached form of what? Ana. Ana means I. So ana means I, and my what do I have is my thing. Okay. So my is the this ya is the attached form of ana. Okay. Can you take a picture of this so that you can let me remove some of the arrows. Yes. So that you can memorize these detached pronoun and the attached form of these pronouns.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let me clear all. Okay. Now, kitabuka. Translate it.
Um, your book.
Kitabuhu.
Her book.
Kitabuhu. I'm not talking about kitabuha. Kitabuhu.
Oh, this book.
His book. Kitabuha.
Her book.
And kitabi.
My
Kitabi. My book. Okay. Let me scroll down, and these pronouns are not full-fledged words. So these pronouns, these attached pronouns, because these are attached pronouns, so these are not separate words. They always come with another ism or fail. Okay, so they are always attached. They are they act like suffix. Okay, these one, who, ha, ya, and ka. Okay, so these are they are not separate words. They come as attached pronoun. Okay. Okay. Now the next one. As we have seen, your book is kitabuka and his book is kitabuhu. The word for father is abun. Okay. Abun, and for brother is akhun. Your brother is what?
um
Akhu, akhuka.
your brother.
Yeah, akhuka. Your brother is akhuka and not akhuka. Look, remember we did 5 special ism. When they come as mudaf, they don't take dhamma for rafa. When they come as mudaf, they don't take dhamma as the rafa to show the rafa status. They take wow instead of dhamma. They take wow when they come as mudaf. And these special ism are abun, akhun, hamun, famun, and zu. Okay, so akhun, abun, hamun, famun. So when these come as mudaf, they don't take dhamma as to show their status. They take wow. They don't take fatha as their status. Instead of fatha, they show their nasb status with alif. Okay, and instead of kasra to show their jar status, they use ya. Okay, so instead of dhamma, they take wow, the letter wow, and instead of fataha, they take alif, and instead of kasra, they take ya when they are coming as mudaf. And we are talking about which words we are talking about?
No.
We are talking about five special ism. 5 special ism. When they come as mudaf, they show their rafa status with wow. Okay, and nasb status with alif, and jar status with ya. Okay, instead of these fatha, dhamma, and kasra, they use alif, wow, and ya. Uh, so this rule is about these five ism: abun, ahun, hamun, famun, and zu. When they come as mudaf over here, look, ahuka, your brother. So ahu is mudaf and ka is mudaf ilayh. Okay, ahu, ka is mudaf ilayh and ahu is mudaf. So because ahu is mudaf, that's why it's taking what? Wow. Did you get the point?
Mm.
If I say your father, then it would be your father. If I say your father, it would be abu ka or abu ka. Which one is correct? Abu ka or abu ka?
The second one
The one
with the well,
yes, this is the correct one. This is the wrong one, because when abu comes as mudaf, it doesn't take dhamma to show its rafa status. It takes wow. Okay, so this is the concept of five special ism, grammatical concept. Okay, so let us go back to the exercise we were on. Okay, so baitun means by
house.
house. Baituka means
Your house.
okay, your house. Very good. Your house. So baitu is what? Bait baitu is what?
Or a house.
A house, but in what position? Baitu has
Yeah.
no al and it is light, just one dhamma. So
Muda.
mudaf. Okay, and ka is what?
Mudafilai.
Mudaf ilay. Okay, good. Baituhu means
Mm, his house.
his house. Very good. His house. Now, baitu is what? Baitu is what?
Uh, Beitu
Hmm.
or Beit. Mudaf.
Yes, mudaf. Oh, let me take the marker instead of arrow. Okay, mudaf. And who is? Mudaf
Mudafilai.
ilay. Okay. Now, baituha.
Um,
Baituha,
her house.
her house. Very good. Baituha, her house. So, baitu is what? Again, baitu is
Mudaf.
and ha is mudaf ilayh. Okay. Now, baiti. Baiti.
Um, Mudaf.
No, translation. Baiti means
Oh, my house.
yes, very good. My house. Now, baiti is what? Just like
Um,
just like others. Baiti is
Mudaf.
Mudaf. And ya is mudaf ilayh.
Mhm.
Over here, everywhere we had dhamma. Look, baituka, baituhu, baituha. But here we have kasra, baiti. Why?
Um, be because of the ya.
Yeah, exactly. Because ya always needs kasra before it. Okay, so this ya, which is ya mutakallim, someone who is talking so he is going to use my or me for himself. So this ya is ya mutakallim. Mutakallim is the one the person who is speaking. Okay, at the moment I am a speaker, and when you answer you become the speaker. Okay, so so mutakallim is the speaker. So this ya is called ya mutakallim. Can you say it with me?
Ya mutakallim.
Ya mutakallim. Okay, ya for the person who speak. Okay, ya mutakallim. So this especially this ya needs a kasra before it. That's why baiti has kasra before it. Now the second line, abuka means abun is father. Okay,
Mm.
abuka means baitun is house, baituka is your house. Abun is father, abuka is, look, baitun is house, baituka is
Mhm.
your house, right? So abun
Yes.
means father, abuka means
Your father.
your father. Very good, your father. So over here, abu is what?
Um. Mudaf.
Yes, abu is mudaf. So do you remember abu is it comes under some heading, some special heading? Abun, akun.
Mm.
What is that heading? 5 special,
Specialism.
yeah, ism or al asmaul, asmaul khamsa. Khamsa means 5. Okay, asmaul khamsa. So abun is mudaf, coming as mudaf, and it is one of the 5 specialisms. Okay, it is one of the 5 specialism. Can you tell me what difference is it making in this combination in abuka? Because abun is coming as mudaf, what difference is it making? Over here we have baituka, baitu, and ka. Here abuka, your father, abu and ka. So what difference is it making, being as of one of the 5 specialism?
Um. Mm. It makes it special, Mudaf.
No, it's mudaf, but instead of dhamma You are seeing a wow over here because it's a special ism. 5 is it's one of the Asmaul Khamsa. That's why it's showing its Arab, its status with wow. Now, Abu Hu means Abu Hu. Abu Hu means
Your
your,
father. Or no, his father.
huh? Abu Hu means
His
Baituhu, but yeah,
father.
Baituhu means his house. Abu Hu means his father. Again, wow is coming because Abu is coming as mudaf. Over here, Abu Ha. Abu Ha means Abu Ha means whose father?
Her father.
Okay, her father. Yes. Abi means
My father.
my father. Yes. Now, Akhun means brother. Okay. Akhun means brother. Now tell me, Akhuka is what?
Abuka.
Akhuka is what? Means
Uh, your brother.
your brother. Okay, good. Now Akhuhu.
Um, uh, uh, his brother.
Yes, his brother. Okay, now Akhuha.
Mm, her brother.
Yes, her brother. Akhi.
Mother.
Hmm?
My brother.
Yes, my brother. My brother. Okay. Akhuka, Akhuhu, Akhuha, Akhi. Why over here there is a kasra? Everywhere is this wow. Ahu, ahu, ahu. Why is there kasra over here?
Um, yeah.
Because because of ya. Because of ya mutakallim. Now you can say because of ya mutakallim. So that's why kasra is here. And why wow is there instead of dhamma?
Mm, um,
Because it's one of the 5 special ism asmaul khamsa. When they come as mudaf, say it with me. Because akhun is one of the
one of
one of
Afghan
the
is one of
5 special ism
five
asmaul khamsa.
specialism.
When they come
Asma,
as, yes, asmaul khamsa, say
Asma Hamza.
when they come as mudaf, when
On
they come
Asma.
as mudaf, they show their status with either waw, alif, or ya. Okay? They show their status either with waw, alif, or ya. But there is an exception. When they combine with ya mutakallim, then they always take kasra. Okay? Okay? But there is an exception
Yeah.
to this rule. When they combine with ya mutakallim, then they take only kasra. So that's how these attached pronouns are there, and that's how the 5 special ism, when they come as mutaf, they show their status by letters, waw, alif, and ya, not by dhamma, fatha, or kasra. Okay, so let me clear all these, and let's see if we can do mm, okay, we can finish this page quickly, inshallah. Abi is what?
Um. My dad. My
Very good.
father.
My father and ummi, my mother, my father and my mother, my father and my mother, fil baiti,
Are in my house.
my house. Do you see a ya over here after baiti?
I know after in the house.
In the house, al baiti. Yes, my father and my mother are in the house. Okay, so what is the subject of the sentence, topic of the sentence? What is the topic of the sentence, subject?
The subject.
In English, you can, from translation you can tell me what is the subject, what is this sentence is about. Is about the house, or is this sentence is about
Father.
yes, my father and my mother. So my father and my mother are mubtada, subject of the sentence. That's why they are going to be rafa in status. Okay, because subjects are rafa in status. So this is going to be abu plus ya. Okay, abu plus ya. And fil baiti is the information about my father and my mother. Okay, now the next sentence. Next sentence, where should I write? It's all colored. Okay, let me write over here. Okay, aina. Aina means Arthur, aina. Aina means
Where?
where. Abuka. Abuka means
Father.
huh? Whose father?
What? Your.
Your. Okay, your father. Where is your father? Hamid. Talking to Hamid. Okay, so he is asking Hamid, where is your father? So what did he say? Sorry, what did he say? Dahaba. Dahaba means go. It's past tense. So it means he went Suqi
Yuan.
is bazaar, market.
Um,
He went to the
he went
market.
to the
As-suqi, market. He went to the market. Okay. Look, two Hamza are there. So first Hamza is the question Hamza. Okay. If we just ignore this question Hamza, akhuka tabibun. Akhuka means akhun is brother. Akhuka means
Akhuha is your brother.
your brother. Very good. Your brother. And tabibun is doctor. Okay. So your brother doctor. This Hamza is question Hamza. So is your brother a doctor? Okay. Is your brother a doctor? Okay. That's the question. Okay. Is your brother a doctor? So
Mm.
what did he say?
Um, لا هو مدرس.
Yes.
No,
Means
he's a teacher.
no. He is a very good. Excellent. He is a teacher. Excellent. Okay. Zainabu fir Riyadi. Riyadh is a city, you know. Riyadh, right? So
Mm-hmm.
Zainabu fir Riyadi
Mm. Zainab is in Riyadh.
in Riyadh. Very good. Okay. Ahuha. Ahuha means we are
Your brother.
Ahuka. Is it Ahuka?
أخوها. Oh, her brother.
Okay. Her brother. Fit Taifi. Taif is again city. Her brother
Is in Taif.
is in
و
Taif
وأبنوها في
and
المدينة.
and
And her
her
son is in
her dad
the
is in
Madinah
Madinah
المنورة.
Madinatul Madinatul Munawwara. Okay, good. Haza talibu. This is a sentence or a fragment? Haza talibu. Haza with an ism starting with al. So this is a sentence or a fragment?
Fragment.
Fragment. Which fragment? It's a pointer fragment. It's a pointer fragment because this is pointerism and a talibu is the badal. So it's a pointer fragment. It means this student. This is student. Okay. So this is student. This is student. Then abuhu. Abuhu means
His.
yes. This is student. You know, sometimes there are comma in the sentence. So this is student. This is the topic of the sentence. Okay. This is student. His father Abuhu wazirun. Wazirun is minister. His father, Athar, his
Mm-hmm.
father,
Um,
Abuhu
his father,
wazirun. His father is a
is a big merchant.
no. Wazirun means minister, then big
Oh,
merchant. Wa ahuhu, and ahuhu means akhun is brother,
mm,
and
and his brother is a big merchant.
is a big merchant. Okay. Now the next sentence. Zahaba went. Who went? Akhi. Akhi means
Um, it means my brother.
yes. My brother went. Okay. My brother went ila al madrasati. Ila al madrasati. Ila means ila is harfjar. Ila al madrasati. Madrasati is a school. My brother went
Mm-hmm.
when my brother went to
So
school and Zahaba Abi. Zahaba went. Abi. Abi is what? Who went?
mm,
Akhi is my brother.
um
Abi is
my friend.
my Abu. Abu. My Abu.
Oh my.
My father. My father went to Jamia is university.
Mm-hmm.
Uni. Okay. Now this is so this is the last sentence of this exercise. Okay. And here's another exercise which is I think the last one on this page. So let's I would like to do it quickly so that I think with this one we are done with the chapter. So let's do it quickly. Look over here. It's just all masculine male names, and you know all male names originally they take two dhamma. Okay, if they are Arabic names, they take two dhamma. Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Abbasun, Muhammadun, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that's a rule that all male names, if they are Arabic, they take two dhamma. Okay, but if there are male names but with ta marbuta, this ta marbuta, okay, if there are male names that are ending in ta marbuta, then they take one dhamma, only one dhamma. Originally Hamzatu, Talhatu, Usamatu, originally and in Rafa status. Okay, originally and when they are coming as Rafa ism. So Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Abbasun, Mahmudun, all male names, they take two them two dhamma, but the male names ending in tam or buta, they take just one dhamma or one fatha or one kasra. Okay, this is the rule. The simple rule for this exercise number 9. What is the rule over here? Can you say it in your own words? What is the rule? All. Athar. All.
Uh-huh.
What is the rule?
All
Male Arabic
are all male Arabic
names
and with uh
end with two dhamma. But male names ending in what? Ending in what?
ending in one dhamma.
No, ending in ta marbuta. This ta marbuta. Round ta. This round ta. Ending in round ta. Take only one dhamma when they are rafa. And when they are nasab, they take only one fatha. Okay? So that's the rule. You can take a picture of this so that you remember this rule. All male Arabic names end with two dhamma, but male names ending in ta marbuta or round ta take only one dhamma. That's the rule. Took the picture?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now, this is just a short exercise. Tell me the ending sound. Khali, khali.
Khalidun.
Yes, khalidun. Okay. Ending sound un. Hamza,
Tu.
tu. Very good. Amma,
Run.
ana,
Anason.
anasun. Okay. Mawiya, mawiya, muawiya,
Mawiyatu.
tu. Hamidun. Oh, I just said it. Okay. Hamidun. Usama.
Osamatu.
Usamatu. Ikrima.
Ikrimatu.
Tu. Abba.
Son.
Un. Abbasun. Muhammadun.
Don.
Talha.
Tu.
Tu. Very good. Talha tu. Excellent. So, this is the end of all exercises, and let me write the meaning of these words so that you can take picture and memorize these new words. We might have vocabulary words at the end. Yeah, azamilu, colleague, classmate. Alfata, young man. Wahidun, one. Azauj, husband or spouse. Okay, both are husband or spouse. Take a picture of this. Spouse. Okay. And this is your homework. Vocabulary word.
Okay.
So, Alhamdulillah, we completed the book with this lesson 10. We completed the book. Now we are done with book 1, Madina book 1. Inshallah, in next session we are going to revise this book quickly, reading and translation, inshallah. Okay,
Okay.
so this is your homework. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Let me stop the recording.